I'm going to show you, wait 1 second.
Oh, well, any more to a rig. Is it BH best time again already?
Okay, sorry.
See what we got here.
I'm going to show you how to make this Furby.
Pre-Explorer was better.
It's really easy. First, hold it down, then hold it down the other way. Make sure you have that really good creature, so don't have an edge. And then hold down. You see how it works there? Hold that down. Do the other way. Now, look at the corners and watch them go black. Now you should have shape. Make sure the open side is at the top. Okay? And hold it down. And hold that down for just hold it down. Now flip it up. Now flip it over. Don't just hold it like that. That's the back. Now bend this for how long you want it to be, but I think that looks good. Make sure the wings are facing down.
My manager's doing inventory after we close, and he'll call the collections agency if he finds out it's missing. What would it cost to just replace the tape? Dude, just tell me $1,000. $1,000? It's a rare out-of-print VHS, a piece of film history.
Now like that.
It's alright. Just find it by tonight.
We're gonna look like that. Then take the top and just then just hold that down. Then that's done. Okay. Now this is my first one, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I will make lots more videos.